Today we visited the Prepa Tec FIRST competition in Tecnológico de Monterrey, a national robotic competition between the high schoolers of Prepa Tec. The first competition is really interesting because it makes you think about all the things engaged in moving a robot, like the mathematical context and all the calculations. Now, next I'm gonna show you an interview with FIRST competitors, Doria and Camila from Blockbusters and The Mirror. What is the first robotics competition FIRST?
It's a competition of robots where they compete to achieve certain challenge in some seconds.
How does math apply to robots?
In robots, we use math to find the calculations of the length, of how the speed we need to use, and we use a calculator on Excel to find the numbers of how should the PID do. The PID is to control how the robots move.
How do you use the math to calculate the speed of the robot?
We have a calculator in Excel for which we have to control the speed, which has to be high but not too high. And we also use the PID in order to control the speed it does, the tolerance it gives to not achieving the speed, and how high it can reach.
Okay, that is really impressive. Thank you. I think that's all. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
Who am I here with today?
Emir.
Okay, can I make you some quick questions, please?
Yes.
Okay, now, what is the hardest part of building a robot mathematically talking?
I think the hardest part in a robot is all the like sizes of the robot, because if it is not like exact, it will not work. We have to know what is the exact size of all parts of the robot, so we can now build a functional robot.
Do you use any calculations to measure the speed of the robot?
Oh yes, we have to use that, the calculation of the speed of the force we need to move all the motors and that, and the distance that the robot will move.
Now that we saw the point of view of a competitor, we can infer that the math plays a crucial role in building and managing a robot. For example, the revolutions that a robot's wheels has to go through in order to reach a certain point, and the calculations in the programming of a robot. Our friend Dorian told us that they use an Excel program to help with their calculations when programming the robot. Researching more of it, we can see that robots use algebra for programming in probability and statistics that can help you estimate how the robot is going to behave. With all that being said, we can say that math does help in building a robot.